Imagine this, a massive concrete structure barely holding back an enormous volume of water. Over time, cracks start to appear. Then, like the UK and Japan are facing this very issue. Many of their dams are over a century old and the infrastructure is straining under the weight of time. So, why are so many dams aging simultaneously? The answer lies in history. During the mid 20th century, particularly between the 1950s and 1970s, countries were in a dam building frenzy, constructing over 1,000 dams every year. However, since 2000, this number has dwindled to under 300 annually. The result, a vast number of mid-century dams are now reaching their expiration dates all at once. The consequences of aging dams are catastrophic if not managed properly. Take the Banqiao Dam in China for example. Built in 1952, it collapsed in 1975 after Typhoon Nina brought unprecedented rainfall. The disaster claimed up to 240,000 lives, largely due to poor design that couldn't withstand extreme conditions. Now let's take a closer look at some of the most iconic and risky dams worldwide. Number 1. Hoover Dam, USA, towering at 726 feet. This marvel stands between Nevada and Arizona, but even this powerhouse is aging and located in a seismic zone, raising concerns about its long-term safety. Number 2. Jinping Dam, China, the tallest dam globally at over 1,100 feet. It generates electricity for 1.6 million households. However, its massive scale and responsibility come with significant risks. Number 3. Mosel Dam, Iraq, constructed with loose soil rather than concrete. This dam suffers from ongoing erosion, making it one of the most dangerous in the world. Constant repairs are required to prevent a catastrophe. Number 4. Three Gorges Dam, China, spanning over 7,600 feet. This dam is a hydropower behemoth, but its construction in an earthquake power zone coupled with sediment buildup poses serious challenges. Coming in at number 5, Teribula Dam, Pakistan, the world's largest earth-filled dam. It faces sedimentation issues that threaten its storage capacity, compounded by changing water flow due to climate change. Now let's talk about why we build dams. You see, dams serve multiple purposes: irrigation, feeding 40% of the world's crops, hydropower, flood control, and even recreation. However, maintaining these structures as they age is a massive challenge. Countries like the USA are leading the way in dismantling old dams, with over 1,200 removed in the past 30 years. Taking down outdated high-risk structures can be cheaper and safer than trying to maintain them. As these massive structures age, the question isn't just about keeping them standing. It's about finding the balance between preservation, safety, and sustainability. So, what does the future hold for the dams near you? Let me know in the comments below. If this video sparked your curiosity, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Want to dive deeper into similar topics? Click on these videos and stay curious.